Hello everyone, welcome to Life Mantras. Health is wealth. This proverb we have heard many times from our childhood. It means health is the greatest asset for humans and it is not worth living without good health. But unfortunately, health is the most ignored part in everyone's life. Whenever we think about health, we picturize hospitals in our mind. We associate our health with hospitals. That's the reason we find many healthcare centers, clinic, hospitals around us. Simple cold or cough also we go to doctor and take medicines. There are tablets for vitamins. I mean really, why do you need to take medicines for vitamins? There are enough vitamins in fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, milk, etc. But today who drinks milk and who eats fruit, right? In fact, whenever we find out that someone is sick or hospitalized, we go to meet them and we buy fruits on the way to give them. But do we eat those fruits? No, because we think fruits are for patients. If I ask people or my friends that what is their consumption of fruits on daily basis, so they tell me I drink juices. Do you really think the benefits of eating raw fruits you will get from these bottled juices? For example, if we eat raw mangoes, do you think you will get all the benefits of the eating raw mangoes by drinking fruity or maaza? Same, if we eat oranges, we are not getting the same benefits by drinking those Tetra Pak orange juices. On it, I will say no, definitely you are not getting the required minerals and vitamins which you are gonna get from eating raw fruits. In my opinion, I am sure you all gonna laugh. In my opinion, the best food in the world is homemade food. Yeah, you heard it right. Homemade food. That's the best food I can say. But today's trend is junk food. We all eat junk food. There is a junk in the name itself. So why should we eat junk food, right? So I'm not saying you don't eat junk food. You can eat junk food, but in limit. You can eat like 4 to 5 times in a month, and rest of the days you eat homemade food, fruits, vegetables, and healthy food. But now, unfortunately, we all are following the other way around. We are eating junk food every alternate day and eating homemade food or fruits or vegetable like 4, 5 times or 6 times or 7 times, maximum 10 times in a month. That's really not good because eating junk food is destroying your health and you're not getting required minerals and vitamins for your body, and you have to take the vitamins medicines. Eating junk food on regular basis is definitely not good. Same goes with sugar as well. Few years back, we used to eat sweets maybe like on Eid or Diwali or Sankrantis, or if we go on someone's marriage, there we used to eat sugar or sweets. However, now today's trend, we eat sweets every day. I have seen couple of houses where they are eating sweets along with their dinner or lunch. They need it on daily basis. They are eating sweets every day. And eating sugar again is not definitely good for your body. I remember a few years back when I went to my hometown, I had a fever and I went to meet Dr. Chamner. So after thorough checkup, he just told me, Nishant, drink lukewarm water, 1 glass after every half an hour. I was like, doctor, suggest me some antibiotics, some medicine. Then he said, no, come back after 48 hours. So I went home and I followed the same. Surprisingly, after 24 hours, my fever was completely down. I was completely fine. But still I followed the same procedure for 48 hours. And after 48 hours, I went to meet Dr. Chamner and thanked him. And I asked him, what is so special in drinking lukewarm water when you have fever? So he told me, Nishant, when you are getting simple cold, cough or small fevers, you don't need to depend on medicines. You have to just raise your body temperature by 1 degree. By raising your body temperature, it helps to fight the virus and kills the virus. Simple. But no doctor will tell you this because they have to sell their medicines. Since Dr. Chamner is my elder brother's best friend. I often go and meet him whenever I go to my hometown, and we always discuss about how to lead a healthy life and so many other things about health and wellness. In last 15 to 20 years, I have discussed with many doctors and health experts, and I have done my research as well on how to lead a healthy life. From these all discussions and the research, I have found one common answer, and I have made a conclusion that is very simple. We need to do regular exercise, eat healthy food, eat homemade food, eat fruits, vegetables, drink milk, drink buttermilk, eat yogurt, eat dry fruits, and that's it. By following this healthy lifestyle for long run, our health definitely becomes better, and we need to avoid consumption of alcohol as well as tobacco products, because these are really not good for our body. We need to even avoid processed food, packed food and junk food which we are eating nowadays on regular basis. Guys, drinking enough water on daily basis is one of the essential part of living healthy life. But unfortunately, doctors are telling us to drink water upon discovering the kidney stone in us. Why? Because water is very easily available. So drinking enough water is also very much required on daily basis. If you keep your lifestyle healthy, then slowly your health will improve and you will not fall sick very often. Even the big diseases will stay away from you. By doing regular exercise, your heart will become healthy, your blood circulation will improve, your metabolism also will improve, your stress will go away, you will have a very good sleep, your immunity will improve, you will be more positive. There are lots of benefits of doing regular exercise. There is no harm at all. Many people give different excuses for not doing exercises. Some say I am too fat, some say my age. So I want to tell you one thing here. One of my friend, he has lost 35 kg weight in 1 year. He was 105 and he has lost 35 kg by doing these lifestyle changes and including jogging in his regular exercise for about 5 to 6 kilometers. So in 1 year, he has lost 35 kgs. So weight is definitely not the excuse here. We all know Mr. Milind Soman. He is India's supermodel. He started running as his regular exercise at the age of 38. He is today 54 and he is still continuing it. He has won Ironman title award in Switzerland. So imagine, he has started at 38. So age also should not be the excuse to start the exercise. You need to remember, whatever form of exercise you're gonna start, you should start slowly and steadily. If you start jogging or running as part of your exercise, you are not competing with anyone. That's when you don't need to rush to run so fast. You have to start slowly and steadily, because your body will take time to accept the new change which you have started. Tobacco is very dangerous for our health. It is already written on the packets of cigarettes as well as tobacco products. Mr. Sharad Pawar, everyone knows him. Mr. Sharad Pawar told in one of the interview that if he would have been told not to eat tobacco when he started, he would have stopped it. We all know he had gone under a mouth cancer surgery, and that's when he had to stop tobacco. Similarly, I want to give you one example here. One of my friend, he eats a lot of tobacco products. So 2-3 years back, he has been detected for mouth cancer and his surgery is done. And now he is educating others about not using tobacco products. But his elder brother, he does not listen to him and he is still using or eating or consuming tobacco products. You all see things happening around you, but still you are not ready to change your mind. One of my other friends' brother is alcoholic, and at the age of 35 to 36, his half liver is removed, and now he is living handicapped life. One of my very close friends suffering from spine issue due to excessive sitting in office for long hours, and his age is only 29 to 30 years. One of my ex-colleagues died due to heart attack at the age of 37 only. And two of my good friends are suffering from insomnia. They cannot sleep at night and their age is also 34, 35. I have noticed few common things in these real life examples which I have just given you. Lack of exercise, unhealthy food habits, bad sleeping pattern and consumption of alcohol and tobacco products. These all are unhealthy lifestyle habits and they have taken their health for granted. And that's the reason they all are suffering by different issues at very early age. Guys, life is very simple and beautiful. Why to waste it? Let's not make it more complicated. Guys, while your mother was pregnant, did she consume alcohol or tobacco products? No, right? Then why you are consuming it now? Being healthy is always good. So let's not waste our life. I urge everyone to lead a healthy lifestyle. Make lifestyle changes. Those are very simple. As I have said earlier and wanna say again now, exercise regularly, eat healthy food, sleep enough and avoid tobacco and alcohol product as much as you can. If you make these small changes in your lifestyle, you will lead a healthy life. So if you agree with me what I have said in the video, so please like my video, share my video with family and friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel Life Mantras by Nishant. Whatever comments you have, you can comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video guys. Till then, keep smiling and enjoy your life.